Hey folks, how you doing? It's Richard for Bikepacking Adventures, and today is what should have been a Gravel Audax kind of route, 110 kilometers. I don't think it's going to happen now, it's too late on in the day. Been sleeping out in the van, came to start the engine in the car, battery dead. So I thought, right, give the AA a ring. I'm waiting for them to arrive. May as well go out on a bike ride, so that's what I'm doing now. They're going to take 3/4 of an hour to get here, so I thought sit around in the van or go for a bike ride. Sun's out, might as well make the most of this. Morning. Really annoying. I'm really glad this happened now before everything kicks off. Oh, typical, it's a lovely day as well. Okay, underway. Take two, bang on 12 o'clock, well 11:59. Turns out it's 134 kilometres. I forgot I extended it to the Southwell Trail, so it's a little bit longer, but longer days now. Should be able to comfortably get around in the light. If not, I've got the tail light. So underway, Southwell Trail, onto Clipperstone Forest at Sherwood Pines, Clumber Park, and lots more to tell you about as I go along. It just occurred to me, I've taken my shoe covers off, so hopefully it won't get too much worse than this. So just to let you know, the AA fed a new battery. Tested battery was getting charged, which it is, so happy days again. I guess that's what you have when you buy a second-hand vehicle. You never know quite what issues you're inheriting. Hopefully that's going to be it, and happy days. Are out. It's looking beautiful. Couldn't turn away a small breakfast. Lime's Cafe, complete with a toilet block. Excellent. Definitely try and factor this into something. As I got 2 flapjacks, it's like 1:15 in the afternoon. I've still got 120 odd K to go. I need to do a big chunk of mileage now and try and stop as little as possible. So this particular ride, this particular route that hopefully we'll get through today, will appear down below the video. Thanks to Mark Harrington for sharing it with me. It was originally run as a Audax route, but they only had a handful of people put their names down. I think two people showed up on the day. That's a bit disappointing, isn't it? I get it though, I do get it. Audax is niche already. So Gravel Audax, you know, at first you're going to be appealing to the current Audax audience. How do you tap into a wide audience who's never even heard of Audax? This is the muddiest part so far. I need to pull my leg warmers down, I think. No one coming, is there? No one coming, is there? Have a look for me. Need shouting louder next time. Let's cover myself up, there we go. Supposed to have a tinkle now. Ooh, hello. It's a beautiful place. Oh, I smell of burgers in the air. Oh, smell of burgers. I think the end of this ride is going to be in the dark. Do you know when you was younger as a kid and your mum's like, be back before dark? Okay mum. And he did. Well, it's going to be one of those, I think. Getting back after dark, getting told off. So just currently on the Silver Hill Trail. Just been doing the 5 Pits Trail, which was really good. Monster Munch. Tucked down there, going to open up in a second. This is a very interesting part of the route. Southwell Track, as I'm going to pronounce anyway. Look at that, a rock face there. Maybe shorter time, but always enough time to change a battery. So yeah, so I'm here at Please Be Picked, and it looks like there's a cafe up there, so maybe next one time I'm out here, I'll visit. It's a funny time of year now. I've gone from wearing like long sleeves and feeling a bit warm to now feeling a bit chilly. Sky is clearing, gonna get a bit cold I think, well at least it means it can be a light for as long as possible, and I need as much light as I can get. Naughty Richard. Ever again. Always bring your lights with you. Just had to deploy my oil trick again. Olive oil this time. On the chain, yes, olive oil. It's a lot quieter again. He's had the posh treatment. It was sounding bloody awful. There it is. Newby Abbey, or Newstead Abbey even. Fleeting visit. If you want to see more of that place, go check this video out. It's taken a couple of weeks ago. Going to make the trail. Farnsfield, Cockett Lane. Just zoom down there and it goes you straight off the trail. So I've just been blasting it for the last 3 kilometres just to get off the road. As you can see, it's pretty dark. Oncoming cars won't see me now. Well, to be honest, they will probably see with the reflective paddle, but that's not good enough. Alright, this is a bit of a shortcut. Hopefully. That's it, made it. Just gonna go off the road bit. Problem, can't see anything very well. Well, this is kind of the worst situation I've been in for a long time. I feel like such a teenager. There it is, made it to the final whistle. End of the Southwell Trail, and somehow there's still a little bit of light left, but I could not see a fucking thing. Can we just